Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time in NS. First, you need to understand that NS operates on a discrete event simulation clock. To begin, initialize your simulator object, typically using set NS new simulator. This creates the core environment for your simulation. Next, you must define the total simulation duration, which dictates how long your network events will run. This foundational step is crucial for all subsequent time-based operations. To define the simulation's duration, you'll use the at command. For instance, $NS at 10, finish, schedules a finish procedure to execute at 10 seconds. This command is essential for setting the simulation's endpoint. It ensures that your network scenario runs for the intended period, allowing all scheduled events to complete or be observed. Carefully choose this duration to encompass all critical activities within your simulation experiment. Scheduling specific events at precise moments is a core aspect of NS. You can use the at command to trigger actions, such as $NS at 2 start traffic. Here, start traffic is a TCL procedure that will execute exactly 2 seconds into the simulation. This allows you to control when nodes begin sending data, when links change state, or when other critical network behaviors occur. Precise event scheduling is key to modeling dynamic network scenarios effectively. Once all your events are scheduled and the duration is set, initiate the simulation with $NS run. The simulator will then process events chronologically, advancing its internal clock. You can observe the time progression through trace files, which record events with their corresponding timestamps. Analyzing these files helps verify that your events occurred at the intended times and that the overall simulation duration was correctly applied. This final step brings your network scenario to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.